Title: 10 Natural Hacks for Hair Growth and Nurturing. Beautiful and healthy hair isn't just about genetics. It's about taking care of it naturally. Let's explore 10 natural hacks that can promote hair growth and nurture your locks. 1. Balanced diet. Eating a well-rounded diet is crucial for healthy hair growth. Here are 3 examples. 1. Protein-rich foods. Incorporate eggs, fish, and legumes for a protein boost. 2. Vitamin C sources. Consume oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers for vitamin C, essential for collagen production. 3. Iron-packed foods. Include spinach, lentils, and red meat for iron, vital for hair health. 2. Scalp massage. Regular scalp massages can stimulate hair growth. Here are 3 natural oils for massage. Coconut oil. Known for its moisturizing properties, coconut oil nourishes the scalp. 2. Almond oil. Rich in vitamins, almond oil strengthens hair and reduces hair fall. 3. Jojoba oil. Helps balance the scalp's sebum production and promotes hair growth. 3. Avoid excessive heat styling. Limiting heat styling can prevent hair damage. Here are 3 heat-free styling alternatives. 1. Air drying. Let your hair dry naturally to reduce heat exposure. 2. Braids or twists. Create natural hairstyles like braids or twists instead of heat-based styling. 3. Velcro rollers. Use Velcro rollers overnight for heat-free curls or volume. 4. Trim regularly. Regular trims prevent split ends. Here are 3 reasons why regular trims are essential. 1. Prevent breakage. Trimming eliminates damaged ends, preventing breakage and allowing hair to grow stronger. 2. Maintain hair health. Removing split ends maintains overall hair health and appearance. 3. Encourage growth. Trimming every few months encourages healthier and faster hair growth. 5. Aloe vera magic. Aloe vera offers various benefits for hair health. Here are 3 ways to use it. 1. Aloe vera gel mask. Apply fresh aloe vera gel as a mask to moisturize and promote hair growth. 2. Aloe vera juice rinse. Use diluted aloe vera juice as a final hair rinse for added shine and nourishment. 3. Aloe vera and honey hair mask. Combine aloe vera gel and honey for a deeply hydrating hair mask. 6. DIY hair masks. Homemade hair masks can provide intensive nourishment. Here are 3 DIY recipes. 1. Yogurt and honey mask. Mix yogurt and honey for a hydrating and conditioning hair mask. 2. Avocado and olive oil mask. Blend avocado and olive oil for a rich, moisturizing hair treatment. 3. Egg mask. Whisk eggs and apply as a protein-packed mask for stronger, shinier hair. 7. Rinse with cold water. A cold water rinse can benefit hair health. Here are 3 advantages. 1. Seals cuticles. Cold water seals hair cuticles, preventing moisture loss and enhancing shine. 2. Reduces frizz. It helps reduce frizz and keeps hair looking smooth. 3. Promotes scalp health. Cold water closes pores, reducing dirt and oil buildup on the scalp. 8. Green tea rinse. Green tea can be beneficial for hair. Here are 3 uses. 1. Antioxidant rinse. Rinse hair with cooled green tea for antioxidants that nourish hair follicles. 2. Hair mask. Mix green tea with honey and apply as a hair mask for added hydration. 3. Scalp soak. Soak your scalp in green tea to reduce dandruff and promote scalp health. 9. Silk pillowcase. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can benefit hair health. Here are 3 advantages. 1. Reduces breakage. Silk reduces friction, preventing hair breakage and split ends. 2. Retains moisture. Unlike cotton, silk retains hair moisture, preventing dryness. 3. Maintains style. Helps maintain hairstyles like curls or blowouts for longer periods. 10. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for hair health. Here are 3 reasons why water is essential. 1. Moisturizes hair. Water hydrates hair strands, preventing dryness and breakage. 2. Promotes hair growth. Proper hydration supports the body's ability to grow healthy hair. 3. Scalp health. Hydrated scalp means less dandruff and healthier hair follicles. Conclusion. Natural hair care isn't just about external treatments. It's a combination of lifestyle, diet, and natural remedies that can significantly improve hair health.